emergency alert system has made an emergency alert notification for the states of California, Nevada, Oregon, Arizona, New Mexico, and Utah. Please listen carefully, as this is not a test. 5 days ago, in California at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the sky became so bright that 26 people became blind 2 days later. This spread to southwest Nevada and some buildings became white on the outside with no effect to the inside interior 3 days later. This spread extremely quickly to more states in the west of the United States. Instructions will follow. Instructions. Recently, today was a little warm. Make sure to wear light skin protection in case of sunburns, rashes, or severe burns to the skin. Cover windows with curtains or anything that can deflect light. Due to the heat being more noticeable, go to a cold place or use anything to cool your body to prevent excessive amounts of sweating. These instructions are made for your safety and survival. The United States wishes you luck, as this may take some time to recover from this incident.
The emergency alert system has issued a warning for the west coast of the United States. That is including California, Nevada, Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, Utah, Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, Oregon, and Washington. Please pay close attention to any instructions given to you if you live in the west of the United States. The same thing goes to those who live in the yellow zone. Information and instructions will be given shortly. The origin of a disaster occurring in the West Coast, known to civilians as the Whiteout, is unknown. But it was unexpectedly caused at 9 a.m. in California. The sky became very bright, and all citizens in the area we made to wear eye protection for their safety. Instructions will follow. Taking notes is suggested. Instructions. The light became pretty warm and bright. Use eye protection and skin protection in case of eye strain, vision loss, sunburns, rashes, or any other skin problems. These instructions are also for those in the yellow. Prepare now, as this
Hey, everybody, the sky. It looks like it's neutralizing.
She's right. It appears the sky is turning blue.